Hello there. My name is Gozo, and we are going to work on a course for robotics. So in this course, we are going to learn a number of things from alarm systems, basic blinking LEDs, to advanced concept where we use different types of sensors. So in this course, you're supposed to have a laptop, the Arduino mini starter kit, and the resources I'm going to insert on the website. The link is probably down there. So if you go down there, you're going to find the link to the resources. So download all those resources and we'll get started. Hello there. So this is the mini kit we are going to use. On my website, it costs about 45 bucks. It's 40 bucks. But if you want it delivered, it's 45. So if you live in Blau, you just pay $40, then we meet in the CBD. I can hand it over or can deliver it to you. So what's included in this Arduino mini starter kit? We have the Arduino Nano. We have our resistors. We have our jumper wires or jumper cables. We have the breadboard. This is the breadboard. So just passage the kits. If you have the kits, then we can move on to the next lesson.
So stay tuned and follow along on the course.